You know you have to have a serious talk with your daughter though.
How we should do now?
What go on, Marlon? No, I know. She not sign it yet. But don't worry yourself, man. Me soon set it like a mother fowl. Yeah, man. Ah, cool.
Chrissy,
Hello, mommy. Yes,
how are you?
I'm good. Are you okay?
I am now.
We need to talk.
All right, baby.
Excuse me. Yeah, Patsy. Where is the baby sick? Alright. May I come check in another week, alright? Alright, cool.
It's been a couple days. How have you been?
Well, as good as anybody can be when they have been retired by the person closest to them.
Maybe the sabbatical will do you some good.
Sabbatical. Sabbatical. Whilst somebody is trying to close this agency down for good,
Don't you think Agent B will get to him before he does this?
Bossy, you never feel comfortable when you go on them assignment here by yourself, you know.
Whisper, is a hunch me I go off for. I just observe, I gotta go observe. Me never know someone that need backup.
Bossy, even though the agency inactive, we still have to act like agents, you know.
I understand that. But when you get a hunch, you just have to move.
So that means, she's out in the open now. And I definitely Carlton she go after.
Yeah, she's very desperate. And if I never pan the compound with her, I would go for the kill.
That wouldn't be wise. Because she have information that we need.
You want to hear how she taunt me? But how she and Raymond did there first, and she want to know if this personal or apps me depend.
The personal bossy, me I ask you that. Because to me, it's so personal.
It's not personal in a whisper. But me want to get to she before she get to Carlton. Because if she get to Carlton, remember say she go get to Celine.
I love Bubbles. She has grown into a strong agent. But sometimes her emotions can cloud her judgment.
Does this remind you of someone? I guess that's you saying you don't think she'll be able to fix this.
Pearl, look. After building this agency from scratch and saving so many lives, I'm not about to risk it all on a feeling. I have to be sure that the right thing is being done.
I think Agent B has the capability of fixing this. I think the minister is bluffing.
You know what I think? I think the minister is getting information from somebody close to us.
So that means she disable the cameras to get in at the office. Because same office supposed to be fully secured.
Remember, she's a super agent, you know. So she got more advanced than we. She got have everything with it, enable and disable security checks.
You think she work alone? Because if she have them thing then, somebody might have help her.
Carlton think of we. Come ask me where she get her resources from.
So, you might blame me for everything. And you still say, you help them.
I know Carlton may help. Remember, so we have an agent out there.
That if she not compromise already. The reality of it, if she didn't want to come in, she should have come in already. Carlton couldn't stop she, you know her already.
You obviously don't know Carlton. 1, Carlton is very persuasive. 2, him very dangerous. And 3, I just hear say he was trained by one of our top trainers.
You mean agency trainer?
Top agency trainer. One of Mr. Mullins' protege.
How that happen? Mr. Mullins sanctioned that?
No. Cynthia